Hello and welcome to my channel by Bellezze. If you are here the first time, hit the subscribe button right now. This is the makeup tutorial for today and I'm so glad it's finally Christmas! Yoo-hoo! So I'm gonna do this Christmas Eve makeup look and let's get started! So I'm using a sellotape so I can get a clean, sharp and a crisp line. I've just stuck it from the outer corner of my eyes to the edge of my eyebrows. Starting off, I'm taking Soft Ochre by MAC as my eye base and my primer. It just cancels out any darkness, redness, veins that I have and creates a smooth, clean canvas ready for eyeshadow. Then I always set it with a nude eyeshadow or a pressed powder or a loose powder. Then I'm using a small fluffy blending brush and I'm buffing the eyeshadow moreover on the outer corners of my eyes and the inner corners of my eyes. I'm gonna use swiping motions towards the sellotape, so I'm making sure that the line is gonna be nice and crisp when I peel off the sellotape. I'm using this eyeshadow as a transition shade and I'm gonna build up on it by using the Color Buff Flawless Touch Contour and Highlight Kit in a neutral shade. Once again, I'm using swiping motions for a crisp line and I'm holding further towards the tip of the brush for better intensity. I'm using a thin flat brush to intensify the inner corners of my eyes with the same eyeshadow. Next, I'm using a black eyeshadow called Carbon by MAC. I just wanted to darken and warm it up a little more to create a nice gradient finish. Then I'm taking this gorgeous blue eyeshadow from the Body Shop, and what I like to do is little tiny patting and teeny swiping motions. I prefer building up the color and not starting off with a dark eyeshadow. I'm taking the shade right up into my crease so when I open my eyes you can see a hint of blue. Then going ahead with this stunning pigment by PAC, which is perfect for this kind of look. I'm using a big flat eyeshadow brush. Make sure you don't put too much on to start with it. You want to build up this color. I've got a really nice and a crisp finish. I have done my face makeup in between. If you haven't checked my tutorial on base contouring and highlighting, head over to it after this video. Next, taking an eyeliner by Nykaa, and of course I'm gonna do a winged eyeliner for a dramatic look. I wish I could really capture how I applied the eyeliner, but at least I managed to show you guys how I winged it out. Then once again I'm using Carbon by MAC and I'm going to buff this eyeshadow on my lower lash line. I'm using the same eyeshadow to intensify the outer corners of my eyes with a thin flat brush. With a fluffy blending brush, I'm just blending it to diffuse any harsh or firm lines. As you can see, I've got a little fallout, so I'm just going to fix it with the help of a concealer. I really want my eyeshadow to have a nice and a crisp line. It's fixed. Next, I'm just defining my brows. I'm using a spooled brush to just lift the strands of my brows. Then I'm applying the wax from the L'Oreal Brow Kit and I'm filling it with the powder from the same kit. This product just helps you to go from sparse to bold eyebrows with ease. I'm highlighting my brow arc with the Maybelline Contour Kit and I'm using an eyeshadow brush. Moving on, I'm just curling my lashes with an eyelash curler. And I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara for my upper lashes and lower lashes, preparing them for my falsies. I always like to wiggle my brush and blink my eyes at the same time while applying mascara. Then I thought of adding another element to my eyes. I'm using this PAC 2-in-1 pencil for my waterline. I just thought it added another pop of color which looked extra pretty. Then I'm just adding my falsies for some extra drama. I just wanted to go all out for this Christmas look. And now that my eye makeup is all set, I'm really happy with the final result. I'm just finishing the entire look by filling in my lips. Firstly, I'm gonna apply a lip balm by Forest Essentials to moisturize my lips. Then I'm defining my lips and filling it with a lip liner called Pink Princess by Max Factor. And then I'm filling it with this gorgeous lip crayon, Peach Me by Faces. I wanted my lips to have a nice and a subtle shade as my eyes are really bold. This crayon has a nice creamy texture and a satin finish. Lastly, I'm just setting my makeup with my favorite loose banana powder by Makeup Revolution. So my eyes and my lips and my whole makeup is ready. I'm just gonna untie my hair, get into my Christmas Eve gown, and I'm just gonna show you how the final result is gonna show. So let's see you later. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and visit my blog. All the links are gonna be down in the description box. And thank you so much for watching. Mwah.